Welcome back, everybody. I'm Morgan from the very unofficial travel guides. We're still at Disney World, and today we're visiting Blizzard Beach. Here we are at the entrance, and I have actually never been to this park before, so I'm gonna just take you with me and you're gonna see everything at the same time. Ding ding. Thank you. All right, we got stopped for a second to do a quick questionnaire, and now we're back here walking through the park. I'm gonna have to talk an extra special lot, otherwise this music in the background is gonna get my video flagged. So this is the first thing we're walking past here, a little Sunny's Sleds set. If you don't know, the theming of Blizzard Beach is this. Apparently, several years ago, there was a big snowstorm, a freak snowstorm here in Orlando, and investors got the quick idea, well, we need to use the opportunity to make some money, and we're gonna build a huge ski resort. So they found this little mountain here on Disney property and built a ski resort, but then of course, because of the weather, that's not going to be a successful venture. And the ski resort that they built is all still sitting here while the snow melts, and this is now Blizzard Beach. So check it out. This is the view. It looks pretty impressive, this view, when you come around the corner here and see the huge mountain. That tallest slide up there, it looks scary. That is really tall. Does that go all the way to the ground? Jeez. Well, I am going to stop talking for a second and let's go do some slides.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. Take the roller coaster, and you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A-game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. We can take the roller coaster. You know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
This is not fun. I can't see anything. It's just water.
Oh, I want to ride that. All right, call me old-fashioned or wimpy or something, but on a slide where there's just water spraying in my face the whole time so I can't breathe or keep my eyes open, I guess I just don't think that's fun. Oh, I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? Yay! I felt totally airborne on that one. This is absolutely terrifying. The only reason I'm doing this is for the video.
Sorry?
Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculous. I can't believe I'm gonna do this.
So legs crossed for me.
All right.
I'm gonna raise the bar, just gonna lie back.
Oh my god. Every instinct in the human body says that you shouldn't do it. All right. Oh God. Oh no! Marcus! Come back! Come back! Will I ever see him again? I think he's over. He's on the other side. He's just around the river bend. Going past the island. Floating past the island. Floating past the island. And... oh, where is he? Must be slower on that side. There he is. And there you have it. We did all the slides and, well, all the slides that are open. Ooh. The sprinkler is cold water. And now we're on the lazy river. My general impression of Blizzard Beach is it's a lot of fun, but something to think about. The slides are all really intense. Like there's one slide, the Teamboat Springs, that is something that you can sort of like do over and over and over, and that you could take little kids on as well, and non-swimmers and stuff. I mean, I haven't really been paying a lot of attention to the kiddie stuff, but as far as things like major slides, I feel like everything here is really intense. It's kind of like the Islands of Adventure of water parks. Like all the roller coasters at Islands of Adventure are really hardcore, and basically all the slides here are also really hardcore. So just something to keep in mind. The other major Disney water park is Typhoon Lagoon, and it's not open right now, so we can't go there. And that's why we spent the day here at Blizzard Beach. I'm glad you came with me and watched this video and went on all the slides with me. And if you like this kind of video, then check out the other videos in my channel. There's some in the description below. Please subscribe to me here on YouTube and press the little bell button next to the subscription button so my videos get put into your feed. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I look forward to seeing you next week or whenever I post the next video. And the secret word of today is lifeguard. If you watch this video till the end, put the word lifeguard in your comments and then I'll know you made it to the end. Bye-bye.